Soon, fans of Samsung devices will have the opportunity to purchase their preferred model from the Samsung Galaxy S24 line. Buyers will be able to reserve the big brother of the lineup, the Samsung Galaxy S24 Ultra, via Samsung's online shop starting on January 17th, as you are all already aware. Customers will be able to choose from a total of 7 color options. Well, in addition to purple and yellow, the official renders have already revealed the 2 hues of gray. Those who prefer their color schemes brighter but less vivid might prefer the 3 unique color options, which have now been publicly shown for the first time in official render photos by US leaker Evan Blame, confirming the previously reported colors. Even though the press images are not in high definition, the colors orange, green, and blue are plainly recognized. 2 early models of the anticipated Galaxy S24 Ultra design have been made published in recent weeks, and the latest 2 even appear somewhat pastel. These hands-on photos are also the first. But this is the first time the front of the new Samsung flagship with its display on has been viewed. The black display edge, which appears to be equally thin on all 4 sides, is surrounded by a rather thick frame in the titanium gray case tone. Next, as we already know, the gadgets should cost the same as their predecessors. According to the most recent information, repair and hardware replacement expenses should also be the same, at least in the European Union. The phones haven't been released, thus the official prices aren't confirmed, according to the same Slovenian repair store, Moba Stekla. But since their rates contain original parts, it's safe to assume that fixing the Samsung S24 Ultra's damaged screen will cost around €375. Because the S24 Ultra will feature a titanium alloy frame rather than an aluminium one, it should be marginally more durable. In conclusion, we can state that, like with the ordinary S24 and S24 Plus, we already know what to anticipate from the Ultra on January 17th. Regarding processors, nearly all markets will receive the Exynos 2400 chipset, although the United States and Canada will probably receive the Qualcomm-made Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Finally, what are your thoughts about it? So without being said, let me know your thought in the comment below, and if you are new here, please subscribe. Peace out.